Here's the mother. Oh, look at the puppies. They're hungry.
Yeah, always.
Look at this little one. He's chewing my foot.
This one likes to chew.
Ouch! Bridget.
They are hungry.
Hello.
They eat your toes.
This is the mother. Jessie. Oh, look. Is that ours?
Is this Albert?
No, I don't think so. I think Bia's holding her. No, this
Muss
is the
man
boy.
genau schauen, gell?
She's probably feeding from her mother. These are the siblings to my puppy.
She's chewing your purse, Mom.
That's okay.
Oh,
This is my little one. Oops. Turn her around. There she is. This is my baby girl. Look at her face. Look. Oh,
Ihr
she's
habt so
like a
Freude
monster.
damit.
She's, hey, Bea, Brookie, hold her. Hold her a minute so people can see. This is the new member of the family. Sashimi. There you go. My little monster. Hi.